May 7 is a mock drill India. So, what is the definition of mock drill? It's an civil exercise meant to prepare the civils and test the government management system, how they respond to emergencies like attack, strikes, and even the war. So, my society just shared the precautions. So, I'm gonna just share just in case if your society and management haven't shared with you. So, wartime civilian readiness. हवाई हमला या सायरन बजते ही तुरंत आश्रय ले, which means whenever you see a siren from an air, you need to be go on a certain safe space. Just in a case of war, you need to be just prepared just in case. अपने शहर गांव में चिंतित सुरक्षित आश्रय स्थल पहले से जान ले. मतलब आप जिस सराउंडिंग में रहते हैं आप अपने सेफ्टी जोन्स को पहले से ही जान लें एंड बी प्रिपेयर इन एडवांस विच आई क्लियर इन अ फर्स्ट पॉइंट इटसेल्फ. एंड घर में कम से कम 7 दिन का राशन रखें. बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर नेक्स्ट 7 days and be prepared with the groceries, medicines, and other safety precautions, whatever you need always at your home, and water itself. And light, gas bill, you need to be off in case of a war, and tomorrow it might be happen. So when in case of a light cut, and you just need to cut off the light from the main wall, gas and light bill, which is the bijli ka main switch. I've been like I want to be serious, but it's so sudden, like I just can't. I'm also just got this information and it's like stunned at the same time. City torch power bank, first priority, aid kit, aid kit. You need to be keep it with you. And परिवार के सभी सदस्यों का आधार कार्ड अपने साथ रखें. एंड अगर just in case your family member is separated from you tomorrow, just in case, so you need to be prepared in advance where you guys gonna meet at one place. Civil senior citizens and kids and handicaps अपनी तैयारी अलग से करें, like be prepared in advance. In case of